They're essential to all life forms on the planet.
They're present in almost every living cell.
They're protective, covering our bodies with skin.
They're connective, like tendons and ligaments.
They're drivers, generating force in muscle.
They're hormones, molecular messengers like testosterone and adrenaline.
They're neurotransmitters, like dopamine, responsible for our moods.
They're antibodies, targeting foreign invaders and fighting disease.
They're transporters like hemoglobin, moving gases around.
They're enzymes, catalysts that speed up chemical reactions.
Your body makes thousands of them.
What are they?
What are they?
What are they? Protein.
Hair is made of protein. Like any protein, its structure can be changed. I use chemicals to change the structure of the hair's protein. You might know it as a perm.
Wool is protein, just like hair. It's very versatile, with excellent insulating properties that make it ideal for use in clothing. And its toughness means that it's great for upholstery and carpet.
Proteins are common in medicine. We use the protein insulin to treat diabetes, and the protein estrogen is used in the female contraceptive pill.
Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions. Washing powder is packed with enzymes. Without them, stains on clothing would be harder to remove.
Enzymes are also part of winemaking. We use them to clarify the wine, reducing cloudiness and improving colour. And we add other proteins to boost flavour.
Our bodies make the proteins we need, but we can't produce all the essential building blocks that form these proteins. So it's important we get these from our food.
Proteins play a very important role in the reproduction of honeybees. And that's the focus of our research on European honeybees. Bees are social insects, with a single queen reproducing and workers maintaining the colony. When a colony loses their queen, a virgin queen is produced by the workers. She eventually leaves the colony for a mating flight where she mates with up to 90 males. After her return to the colony, she will never mate again and stores the sperm of her mates for the rest of her life. This can be up to 7 years, in which the queen can produce up to 1.7 million offspring. So what we really want to know is how sperm can survive for such a long time. And to do this, we use biochemical techniques such as gel electrophoresis, such as in this case here, where we have a gel, and each of these blue dots here represents a single protein. So to identify the proteins, we use machines called mass spectrometers. They allow us not only to identify the proteins, but also give us insights into their functioning. So what we find is that males provide their sperm with a liquid, which we call seminal fluid. And the proteins within seminal fluid are most crucial to keep sperm alive. What we also found is a war occurring between the rival males, where they use seminal fluid to kill each other's sperm. So the study of proteins allowed us to get these detailed insights into the reproductive biology of honeybees. So why is this important? Well, bees are the major pollinators of plants, including our food crops. But bees are in dramatic decline worldwide. A shortage of bees will have serious impact on crops that depend on them for pollination. Things like fruits,
nuts and vegetables. There's a real risk that in the future without bees, we won't be able to produce enough food. The research we are doing on proteins and the techniques we are using, like artificial insemination, will help us to breed better bees and to avoid further declines.
Proteins are essential for life.
Responsible for almost every activity within your body.
Making up the key components of biological materials.
They catalyse vital reactions.
Regulate cell function.
And play a role in fundamental processes.
Like reproduction, respiration and digestion.
They come in many shapes and sizes.
And are the most numerous component of any cell.
Proteins are the building blocks of life.